and dear students. I am Bhumika Thakur, Associate Professor in DDR College of Pharmacy. And today I will give the campus introduction on this orientation day. So let's start with the presentation. So here you can see the luxury campus of the DDR College of Pharmacy or DDR group of colleges. Next. So here you can see the three different buildings of our group, that is Deendayal Rastogi College of Education, Deendayal Rastogi College of Pharmacy and Deendayal Rastogi College of Management and Technology. So firstly I would like to introduce about our society. Deendayal Rastogi College of Education came into existence in October 2006. The seed sown path then flourished and spread its branches in the form of other professional institutes. So the society is Chhatturam Deendayal Education Society, established DDR group of colleges, namely DDR College of Education, Deendayal Rastogi College of Pharmacy, Deendayal Rastogi College of Management and Technology. So, objectives of the society are develop a systematic learning approach, improving productivity, and provide quality life and empowered growth. Our chairpersons, Dr. Rajendra Rastogi sir, Dr. Anita Rastogi ma'am. On the desk of the chairperson, I want to share their vision. The wealth of the nation consists in the number of educated men and women it harbors. In the competitive world, the global market share its determining winner and loser among nations. It has become increasingly necessary to ensure that beside a sound education, our students have the ability to engage and win in global context. Next. Firstly, I would like to introduce about DDR College of Education. DDR College of Education has started B.Ed course in July 2006. The college expanded gradually and today runs B.Ed, M.Ed, B.Ed. It is affiliated to Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, NAC, affiliated A+ grade. Next. So courses offered by the DDR College of Education are M.Ed. It have 15 seats and its duration is 2 years. Next is B.Ed and it has 200 seats and it's also 2 years course. B.Ed have 50 seats and its duration is 2 years. DDR College of Management and Technology. Chhatturam Deendayal Education Society established DDR College of Management and Technology during the year 2010 to provide world-class education in the field of business, management and computer application. DDR-CMT impart BCA, BBA and MBA qualification to the aspirant and is among one of the best colleges in the Gurgaon and Delhi NCR. Programs in business management is up to both graduate and postgraduate level and program in computer application is up to undergraduate level. The college integrate knowledge, research, industries experience and international exposure to offer comprehensive management program. Next. So, in the management, there are the three different courses, that is MBA, BBA and BCA. In MBA, there is 120 seats and its duration is 2 years. And in BBA, 160 seats and its duration is 3 years. And BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, it has 160 seats and its duration is 3 years. Here you can see the infrastructure. Next. DDR College of Pharmacy. Last one. DDR College of Pharmacy offer programs that prepare students from the technological level, legal, civic and moral responsibility for pharmaceutical profession. So, most of these students I think are from the B.Pharm course. So, in B.Pharm, as you know, it's a 4-year course and it is approved by Pharmacy Council of India and it is affiliated by the PGIMS Rohtak. And another course is Diploma of Pharmacy. So Diploma of Pharmacy is also approved by Pharmacy Council of India and it is affiliated to HSPT Panchkula and its duration is 2 years. So Diploma of Pharmacy is of 2 years and Bachelor of Pharmacy is 4-year course. And next one is your DMLT. DMLT is also affiliated from HSPT Panchkula. If you are coming in the DMLT course after matriculation, then its duration is 3 years. And if you are coming after 10+2 medical or or non-medical stream, then its duration is 2 years. Next, program features. Well-educated faculty with industrial and teaching experience. Labs are well furnished and sophisticated in latest instrument. Library with free access to index journal with reference and textbook. Hands-on training and placement in varied pharmaceutical sectors. Industrial placement curriculum. International library with free access to India's journals. Beside a robust teaching pedagogy, Deen Dayal Rastogi College of Pharmacy is also a leader in research and innovation. Focus is given to activities beyond academics at Deen Dayal Rastogi College of Pharmacy, which is evident from its infrastructure, extracurricular activity, and national and international collaboration. The placement at Deen Dayal Rastogi College of Pharmacy is varying, with recruitment option both in corporate and public sector as well as entrepreneurship. So every year there is also in your curriculum that is industrial training. So more than 30 students every year go for the industrial training for 1 or 2 months. So you can see the images of that. Next is your industrial visit 2024. Next. Various program and event organized in Deen Dayal Rastogi College group of colleges. There are some images that you can see. Free eye checkup camp, Lohri celebration, Diwali festival 2024, and we also conduct the guest lecture. Because ऐसा ना हो कि बच्चे सिर्फ क्लासरूम में रह के उनको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज देने के लिए हम बाहर से भी जो उस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड के पर्सन्स होते हैं उनको बुलाते हैं. जैसे हमने रिसेंटली इन 17th of March 2025 there is a guest lecture by the Dr. Takesh Yadav sir, Associate Professor from National Forensic Science University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Their aim is to explore the crucial role of the pharmaceutical education in forensic science and brought students closer to understand the pharmaceutical science contribution to forensic investigation, counterfeit drug detection, and criminal cases. We have also conducted another guest lecture that is spine-related ailments. These are the some pictures. Next one. Another guest lecture recently we have conducted on 18th of September. That is spine-related ailments. Next. This is some images of the Yoga Day. We have also celebrated the Republic Day, and students also distributed, winners are also distributed with the various awards. Sports Week Day. These are some another pictures. Fresher party of the BPharm student 2024. Independence Day 2025. These are the pictures in a lab, in a pharmacy lab. This is computer lab. Next is library. And I also want to add that our student every semester our student comes in a top 5 or top 100. Recently 4th student, BPharm 4th student Vivek got the second position in the B.D. Sharma University, and another Tina from the 6th sem also got the 5th position. So it's a big achievement. Like 35 colleges comes under the B.D. Sharma University. So to rank in that university, it's a big achievement for students. So you can do the better. Next. And lastly, I would like to say that recently our college is honored with the award by Atal Achievement Award, Best College in the Best College of the India. So give a huge round of applause of it. So this is all the presentation about the campus. I think all the students has found the knowledge. DDR group of colleges. That is 3 colleges: DDR College of Education, DDR College of Management and Technology, and DDR College of Pharmacy. I think maximum students को समझ आ गया होगा. You got my point? Okay. So lastly, I want to finish with the one quote of the Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Okay. And another, I want to add 2 more lines that college is not just about the present; it's also about preparing you for the future. So that's all from my side. Have a nice day.